Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to find the fishing spot that hidden inside Classic Island in Visit after the latest update. Okay, let's get started. First just go to Classic Island, this one, and then once you arrive just follow the exact path that I'm taking in this video. Just go to over here and then on here. Over here, just moving toward the waterfall like this, and then when you get close the waterfall, just equip your diving gear like this. This is important because the hidden entrance is actually inside this waterfall. And then now just dive into the waterfall like this. And then just like this over here, like this. Now you can fish here peacefully and then enjoy a cool hidden area. Okay, like this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.